Welcome to Review Lab. The best men's aprons is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of kitchen gear, designed to protect your clothing from spills, stains, and splatters while you're whipping up culinary masterpieces or tackling messy DIY projects, ensuring you look sharp and stay clean no matter how intense the task gets. This versatile garment is more than just a shield, it's a statement of preparedness and style for the modern man who values both function and form in his everyday activities, making it an indispensable addition to any home chef's or hobbyist's wardrobe. Number 5. Syntus Adjustable Bib Apron. Introducing the Syntus Adjustable Bib Apron, designed for comfort and convenience in the kitchen. Its adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Keep your essentials close at hand with two spacious pockets. Perfect for holding utensils, recipes, or your phone while you cook. Crafted from high-quality materials, this apron is built to last. It provides excellent protection without compromising on comfort during long cooking sessions. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, this apron is an ideal addition to your kitchenware. It offers both style and practicality. Spend less time worrying about messes and more time enjoying your culinary creations. This apron is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Elevate your cooking experience with this versatile and functional apron. It's an essential tool for any kitchen, offering protection and utility. What we like. This apron offers a comfortable and adjustable fit for everyone. Its practical pockets keep your essentials close at hand. If you're looking for a straightforward, versatile apron for everyday cooking, this is a great choice. What people say. They're longer than most aprons I've used, which gives great coverage, and the fabric has a sturdy, well-made feel without being heavy. The stitching is solid, the pockets are a useful size, and they hold up well in the wash. The material is lightweight yet durable, and the water-resistant fabric helps protect clothing from spills and splashes. The adjustable neck strap makes it easy to get a comfortable fit. The aprons have softened considerably, now conform to my many curves. My clothing still does not get wet, even though the towel at my feet is very wet. I understand that water runs off them. Number 4. Wilwell Chef Apron, Black. Tired of stubborn grease and food stains ruining your clothes? This apron is your ultimate shield, crafted with a special coating to repel water, oil, and dirt. Cook with ease thanks to its generous size, covering you from chest to knee. It features an adjustable neck strap, long waist ties for a snug fit, and two spacious front pockets. Keep your cooking essentials close at hand. The dual front pockets are perfect for storing utensils, recipe cards, or even your phone. Made from high-quality, coated polyester, this apron is built to last and feels incredibly soft and lightweight. It's designed to be 3 times more durable than others on the market. Maintaining a clean apron is simple. It's machine washable, wrinkle-resistant, and won't shrink, ensuring it stays looking crisp after every wash. What we like. Experience superior protection against spills and stains with its advanced fabric. The generous size ensures full coverage, keeping you clean during any culinary task. If you're a serious cook who deals with frequent messes or wants maximum protection, this is the apron for you. What people say. Keeps his clothes clean and fits well. He is 5 feet 10 inches. Great fabric that worked great with the Cricut iron on vinyl. Solid, well-made apron that protects my clothes from high heat while grilling. Number 3. Mignongirl Crossback Chef Apron. Experience exceptional durability with our chef apron, crafted from 100% soft cotton. It features reinforced pockets with metal rivets for added toughness and a stylish look. Say goodbye to neck pain with the crossback strap design. You can easily adjust the soft cotton straps for a comfortable, personalized fit. The quick-release buckle makes it removable. Keep your essentials close at hand with multiple large front pockets. They're perfect for your phone, tools, or notes. Special loops are also included to manage your headphone line. This apron is ideal for both professional and everyday use. It's perfect for cooking, serving, gardening, crafting, and many other activities in various settings. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day return policy and 24-hour customer support. Please note that this apron is available for hand wash only. What we like. Enjoy a comfortable, pain-free experience with its unique crossback design. The durable canvas and reinforced pockets are built to last and hold your tools securely. If you value style, comfort, and robust construction for professional or frequent use, this apron is an excellent pick. What people say. Great quality, heavy duty. Fits well, my husband likes the crossback strap so it doesn't slide off. Comfortable for grilling and the size is easily adjustable. The material is exactly what I wanted and its pockets are perfectly positioned. I changed the straps out for some better ones that I owned. But it's comfortable and I wear it around 8 hours a day. Super easy to clean. Works great, keeps clothes clean and dry. Pockets are a good size and useful. Number 2. Hudson Durable Goods Chef Apron. Introducing the professional-grade chef apron from Hudson Durable Goods. It's designed for ultimate protection in any culinary setting. Crafted with durability in mind, this apron is perfect for the heat of the kitchen or the smoky intensity of your barbecue. Experience superior comfort without compromising on protection. It keeps you clean and focused on your culinary creations. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook, this is the essential gear you need. Take your grilling game to the next level. This apron is built to withstand the demands of any outdoor feast. Invest in quality that lasts. Hudson Durable Goods brings you reliable gear for all your cooking adventures. What we like. This apron is built for the toughest kitchen environments. Its professional-grade construction ensures longevity and performance. If you're a chef, grill master, or someone who needs a reliable, hard-wearing apron for demanding tasks, this is the one to consider. What people say. It has plenty of pockets, straps that are comfortable, and is a very fair price. Robust material, unique design, all sorts of high-low pockets, etc., to put stuff in, even a side loop to hang something from, and even has a slot pocket for a pen or pencil. This apron looks great, is self-adjusting, and uses a single buckle so I don't have to fuss with ties, and once it's adjusted the first time, there's no need to ever change it, just slide it over your head and clip the buckles in the back. Number 1. Miracu Funny Cooking Aprons. Are you ready to add some laughter to your kitchen adventures? Our funny aprons are perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with their cooking, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Don't let spills and splatters ruin your fun. This apron provides full coverage to keep your clothes clean, and its deep pockets are perfect for holding all your essential cooking tools. Crafted from durable, thick cotton, this apron is made to withstand all your culinary creations. It's easy to clean and ready for countless cooking, grilling, and baking sessions. Designed for both men and women, this apron offers a comfortable, adjustable fit for everyone. It's the perfect blend of practicality and personality for any kitchen enthusiast. Looking for a unique gift? Surprise your favorite cook, baker, or grill master with this hilarious and functional apron. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. Whether you're whipping up a gourmet meal, firing up the grill, or hosting a party, this versatile apron is your go-to accessory. It's designed for all your culinary adventures, indoors and out. What we like. Add some fun to your cooking with its witty sayings and practical design. It offers ample pocket space for all your gadgets. If you're looking for a unique gift or a playful apron for home cooking, baking, or parties, this is a fantastic and amusing option. What people say. It fit him perfectly and was made well. Good quality and the printing looks nice, not cheap like they sometimes can be. Very handy and comfortable. Fits great and not so thick that it's stiff or too thin to do its job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.